reform, a landmark overhaul giving millions access to care, or a violation of your rights. That's what a federal judge here in Richmond is expected to decide by year's end. Virginia Attorney General Ken Cuccinelli argued in federal court this morning why he thinks the Obama administration's health insurance overhaul is unconstitutional. Afterward, Cuccinelli talked about today's hearing, and supporters of the new law talk about why the law was necessary. CBS 6's Katie Beck is live outside the federal courthouse with the latest. Katie?
Well, Bill, Cuccinelli's lawsuit attacks just one part of the health care reform bill. That's the part that mandates you, all Americans, must buy health insurance. And though he is just attacking one portion, if he succeeds in stopping this reform, it could take the whole health care reform package off the table due to the way the bill was written. Today, a judge in court said he felt his courtroom was just one step along a legal process that could be pretty lengthy. And he said, we all know this case is going to end up in the hands of the U.S. Supreme Court.
This case is about protecting liberty. It is about the outer reach of federal power.
In federal court Monday, it was one government taking on another. The Commonwealth of Virginia challenging the federal government over the new Federal Health Care Act.
My health care premium was $1,300 per month. I could not afford that.
While some argued a need for affordable health care outside the courthouse, inside the Commonwealth argued that the new law violates the Commerce Clause of the Constitution.
It penalizes Americans for not engaging in commerce.
Cuccinelli argues that under the Commerce Clause, the government can't force anyone to purchase a good or service. Others who filed briefs challenging Cuccinelli say the legal battle is nothing more than partisan tricks.
I thought it was a stunning example of political extremism.
They further argue everyone is a consumer of health care, and under the new system, all will pay for it.
If only the unhealthy purchase insurance, then all our premiums are going to escalate.
The federal government also argued that the penalty for not buying health care imposed by the new bill is in fact a tax, a power that the government does have under the Constitution. But Cuccinelli says the law calls it a penalty, and so it is. Judge Hudson asked federal lawyers several times today to explain the difference between a tax and a penalty. At one point he said, quote, Congress denied this was a tax. The president said this wasn't a tax. Was he trying to deceive people? Federal lawyers argued back that the president only said this wasn't a tax increase. Tonight at 11, our Angela Pellerano sits down for a one-on-one with the Attorney General to get deeper into these issues. She'll have that story all new at 11. We're live in downtown Richmond tonight. Katie Beck, CBS 6 News.